Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video on a company called Lasfit Air. It's a overlanding if you have an RV or if you're a commercial driver and you need air. This air compressor is ×4, so it will fill up 4 tires at the exact same time, which is insane. The LED screen, you actually can put in 35 PSI and plug in all 4 tires and it'll get you at 35 PSI from 15 PSI within 1 minute, which is insane. Now, when you purchase this, you do have to purchase this over here for it to work. I don't think there's 4 little things inside here. I have not opened this up yet, but I think you have to purchase both these at the exact same time. This whole setup right here on Amazon is like $439. I'll put some links below, but look at other places. If you have like a place called like Honey, I think that's one of the places that if you put in Fit Air Compressor, it'll search for the cheapest price. But regardless, I'll put links in there, but look around to see which one's the cheapest, because I found one on Amazon for $459. It's the exact same one as another place on Amazon. It was $439, so it's kind of all over the place. But let's open it up and let's take a look at it. It's pretty cool. All right, let's just open this little one up first. What's neat about this here is it will inflate or deflate. So if you want to put it down to 20 PSI, put it on 20 PSI and it will let the air out at and stop at 20 PSI, which is freaking crazy. Oh, that comes in a neat little bag here. Let's open it up real quick. It's got a zipper. Let's see here. Really nice. So it looks like they've given me 2, or is it 4 hookups? Look at it together. It's got a little manual. So it's got 2 here, 2 here. What is inside here? I think this is the little gauge. Yeah. So plug in, and then I think this probably plugs into this. So we'll put this as digital. I wonder how you charge it. Oh, it's a battery. So it takes AAA batteries. So that'll be something you have to keep up with. Does it come with batteries? It does not. All right. So boom. Boom. Let's see what's inside here. Alrighty. It's a little heavy. It's definitely probably 40 pounds, 35, 40 pounds. Comes with a small manual. This is heavy. Here we go. All right. And it comes in its own little case too, which is awesome. Comes with gloves, little air compressor. Let's see what this is. There we go. Another glove. I like it comes in these bags. This is super cheap. I can see this just kind of falling apart over time. This one's a little bit more higher end. This will probably last you a long time, probably for the rest of its life. Let's open this bad boy up. All right, so you got to plug it into your battery on your vehicle, and it looks like it gives you a lot of length. I think it's probably 15 feet, and here's your air compressor here. So the setup that I have, it looks like it'll only do 2 at a time. Let's see here. Yeah, so here's your little air compressor thing here. You'll still have to, I guess you have to buy, let's look at it, let's read it. So this is your air chuck, which is kind of cool. So this actually plugs right into the little air spot. So this actually plug it in, lock it in, and that will hold the air in. This goes into here. Just pull this little collar back and lock it in just like that. So you'll do basically those 2 here. This will go into your air, into your tire, and this one right here will do your air as well. So there's 2. This side will do your 2 tires on one side, and then this one will do your air, boom, boom, on the other side, which is kind of cool. This one goes from the actual, from here into here. And then this will run it, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, it's cool. I really like it. It's heavy, so there's that. You're gonna have, but it isn't really big. You know what I mean? It's kind of compact. Look at the size of that. It's pretty thin. Other than, put this here. I like it. It's a neat little tool. I've not been in a situation where I need to put all 4 of my air filled up at one time. I did some overlanding in the, on an island where I shipped the Jeep to an island, and we stayed there for like 4 days, and you have to let the air out down to like 20 or 15 PSI. 'Cause it's super sandy. And that's when this would come in handy. I don't do that often, but I'm really glad that I have it now. So if you would like one of these, they're pretty cool. I don't have any batteries for this to show you how this works. It doesn't come with batteries, so you'll need to get batteries. But I'll put it in the link in the description. Also, you can look around and see if you can get some cheaper ones. I have found some that are cheaper than others. So like I said, the cheapest one I found was on Amazon for $439. And then I found another one on Amazon for $459. So just kind of shop around. But it's neat. If you need one of these for your overlanding or your RV, or if you're a commercial driver, I think this would be a neat thing to have on your. It's nothing wrong with being prepared, you know what I mean? So I appreciate y'all. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like button if you like reviews like this, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.